This is pretty much a AI, I would say AI cleaning tool, which pretty much helps you clear up your storage on your device. As well, if you do tap on the smart clean option, it will clear unnecessary files or documents that are on your device that is taking up storage. And you can see pretty much almost out of storage. So if I do use the smart option, I'll be able to remove certain things that I'm pretty much not using. And right now I don't want to do that because it might remove something that I don't want to be removed. But anyways, you have the other options where you can see photos. As you can see, you have to allow access to your photos and documents for it to see. And as well, once you do tap on any one of these as it relates to videos, anyone that's duplicated, it's the same videos and so forth, it will pretty much scan for duplicated documents and clear one out of the duplicate documents. And as well as you can see here, they have the extra feature which you can compress some of your files which you're pretty much not using. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can allow access to your contacts as well. It will pretty much clear your contacts as well if there's any duplicated numbers or pretty much the same number for two contacts as well. So very, very good application as it relates to cleaning your device, not gonna lie. And as it relates to their Pro subscription, you tap on the option here which says Pro, and it does give you a 3 days free trial, pretty much test out their Pro subscription features. As you can see here, they do give you a unlimited storage optimization and pretty much compress your photos and videos. So they will still be there, but they will be taking up less amount of space on your device. So that's really pretty much it for this Clear application. Very good, very simple, not much ads, I would say, for the others, but this one is very great, not gonna lie. So let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on this, and do comment below if this have helped you in some way. See you in the next one.